Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by taking immediate actions that teach Outlook what to stop. First, mark obvious spam as junk. This trains the filter. Once done, block the sender and domain from the message menu so future mail is rejected. Next, enable the safe senders list and choose to accept mail only from contacts. This reduces noise dramatically. Make sure to check your deleted and junk folders for false positives, because legitimate mail can be caught during aggressive filtering. Now you build stronger defenses. Create precise inbox rules that match subject patterns, sender domains, keywords, or unusual attachments, and set them to move messages to junk or delete. Once done, sync with your Exchange or AMAP server settings. Enable server-side quarantine so spam is blocked before delivery. Make sure to add domain-level blocks and inspect message headers to create header-based filters for repeat offenders. Remember, server rules act faster. Finish by maintaining and troubleshooting. Review junk and server quarantine weekly, then whitelist any legitimate senders you find so they stop getting trapped. Next, use built-in Microsoft or trusted third-party spam tools and update block lists frequently. Spam patterns change. If things go wrong, reset conflicting rules, rebuild your mailbox index, and make sure server rules aren't overridden by client rules. Finally, contact your administrator when spam persists. This often reveals domain-level or gateway issues that you cannot fix alone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.